Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 7 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Colonial Beach, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Breton Bay, Cobb Island, Swan Point, Colton's Point, St. Clements Bay, Namini Bay, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, Westmoreland State Park, and Colonial Beach. Issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 7 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Colonial Beach, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Breton Bay, Cobb Island, Swan Point, Colton's Point, St. Clements Bay, Namini Bay, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, Westmoreland State Park, and Colonial Beach. A statement from the National... issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Anne Arundel County in Central Maryland, St. Mary's County in Southern Maryland, Calvert County in Southern Maryland, Southern Prince George's County in Central Maryland, Charles County in Southern Maryland, St. George County in Central Virginia until 7 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near St. Charles to near Walworth, moving east at 60 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, Clinton, Fort Washington, Lexington Park, Chesapeake Ranch Estates, La Plata, Chesapeake Beach, Deal, King George, Leonardtown, Dahlgren, Prince Frederick, Piney Point, Tall Timbers, St. Inigo's Creek, Pope's Creek, Howland Point, St. Leonard Creek, Town Creek, and Sheridan Point. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat has passed. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia. Now for the official National